know the sun makes sounds, but you cannot hear it because there is no air in space, so the sound cannot travel. When you go to space next time, don't shout, nobody can hear you.